How does grid hardening improve your electricity resilience? Imagine a storm hitting your area, knocking out power for days. Now picture a power grid that stands strong, bouncing back quickly. That's what grid hardening aims to do. It's about making our electricity systems tougher and more reliable. When storms, fires, or even cyberattacks happen, a hardened grid keeps the lights on and prevents long outages. Grid hardening involves several key steps. First, utilities replace old, weak parts like wooden poles with stronger materials such as steel or composite poles. They also move power lines underground where possible, protecting them from wind, storms, and fires. These underground lines are less likely to be damaged, so power stays steady even during bad weather. Next, grid design is improved. Instead of one big network that can fail all at once, utilities create smaller sections that can be isolated if something goes wrong. This way, if one part has an issue, it doesn't cause the whole system to shut down. They also use detailed weather models and risk assessments to decide which parts of the grid need the most protection. This targeted approach makes sure resources are used wisely and effectively. Technology plays a big role too. Smart grid systems monitor the network constantly, detecting faults immediately. Automated switches can isolate problems and reroute power, speeding up repairs. This means less downtime for customers and fewer disruptions. Grid hardening isn't just about fixing what's broken. It's a long-term plan that involves collaboration between utilities, government agencies, and technology providers. Together, they develop strategies that prepare the grid for future challenges like climate change and increasing energy demands. All these efforts lead to fewer outages and shorter repair times. When the grid is stronger, communities are safer because critical services like hospitals and water systems stay operational. It also saves money by reducing economic losses caused by power failures. Plus, it helps defend against physical attacks and cyber threats, making sure the system stays secure. In essence, grid hardening turns aging, fragile infrastructure into a resilient, adaptable network. It's about building a future where electricity is dependable, no matter what nature or security threats throw at us. This way, utilities can better serve their customers and support the ongoing shift toward cleaner, smarter energy systems.